In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit money or funds inside a Roboforex. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up roboforex.com. Then from here, you'll need to sign in to your account or log into your already existing account if you don't already have one. From here, it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Here, you'll need to go down to trading accounts. And then from here, you'll need to choose the account that you want to deposit funds over to. So let's deposit funds to this account right here. And as you can see here, I have 0 withdrawal fee. But from here, you'll need to first verify your account. Then from here, you'll need to add in amount and currency. From here, you can see you'll be able to add funds via bank accounts, credit cards, and external transfer. Down here, you can also select Visa, MasterCard, MasterCard or Voleto, Visa Pay, or MasterCard Pay. Then from here, you can add the currency that you want to add. So let's just put $100. And you can change that from either USD or Europe, depending on where you are. You can also click here and pay with Google Pay if you want to do that. And then from here, you'll need to click continue. And from here, you'll need to add in your city, your postal code, address, date of birth, and then you'll need to enter your credit card details. From here, you'll need to click deposit. And then from here, the money will be transferred over to that specific account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.